Hey, what's going on guys? Day 123 here. Welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing Piggy. Before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell to turn on notification to notify when I upload video. Today, if you read the title, I'm going to show you how to do the two endings. Two steps to the two ending. Let me okay, look. If you haven't seen my last video, the last video explains why I haven't uploaded for like 2 months. If you want to know the full details and why I didn't upload for 2 months, just watch my last video. Okay, let's get started. Okay. The first thing you need to do the city map. If you want to do anything, there's a secret Mrs. P picture somewhere in the map. I'm going to show you where is it. And okay, and the other thing is you need to do player passport, because if you didn't know, I'm in a VIP server right now. I don't have anybody, so I cannot use player passport. So I'm just going to bot. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is how you're going to do ending. First, you have to beat this map until the end of the. You need to beat this map and open the gate. Let me show you. Probably you guys probably already know how to beat this map. Or that you need to open the gate over there, and then I think it's under one of the purple car. Oh no, this one okay, you need to open this gate right here, and then you're going to take the Mrs. P picture right over here. Let me quickly turn. Is that? I think it's not under this car. Is it under this car? That purple car? I don't remember totally. Or is it that purple car? Whatever car it is, you're going to look under that car, and then in the player passport, you're going to see a Mrs. P picture right under that car. And then you're going to escape with the Mrs. P picture. Make sure you beat the map first. Like you open all this before you escape, and then you grab the picture and then you escape. That's how you get complete the first step to getting the two ending. Okay, I'm just going to die. I'm going to show you how to do the second part. Okay, that now when you do that, when you escape the map with the Mrs. P picture and all that, and then all you have to do now is beat chapter 12 again. But or you beat the chapter 12 map, when you beat the chapter 12 map, you're going to choose the good ending or the bad ending. You need to choose the bad ending to get it. So when you choose the bad ending, you're going to get the two ending from that. I'm just going to play the map. I'm probably going to fail, but I need a long video, so I'm going to show you how to beat map, all that. Probably already know, but just in case somebody out there didn't know how to beat it, I'm going to show you. Okay, what? Okay, nobody else in the server. Okay, what? Okay. I see you click there and then. Okay, that scared the crap of me. I forgot Mr. P do that. Well, on that note, I'm not going to show you how to do that. That was a complete fail. On that note, I'm going to end this video. That is how you do the duo ending inside Piggy. Well, hopefully you enjoy and this video will help you how to do the duo ending. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye and stay awesome.